The situation is concerning with the return and the simultaneous disappearance. It is imperative to consider all possibilities to find out what happened. Firstly, review any known information about Charlie's last known activities and whereabouts. This includes interviewing people who had contact with Charlie before she went missing. Secondly, investigate the timeline surrounding Sam's return and Charlie's disappearance. Look for any connections or coincidences. Thirdly, consider if Charlie left voluntarily. While it is hoped that Charlie is okay, we must still determine whether the disappearance was of her own free will or against her will. In this case, we have to look for signs of distress or anything unusual in her behavior before she went missing. Fourthly, explore all possible scenarios and not dismiss any lead, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem. This involves checking security camera footage, social media activity, and any other relevant sources of information. Fifthly, maintain hope that Charlie is safe and will be found soon. It is important to stay positive and focused on the search effort. Firstly, gather all available information regarding Charlie's background, including her personality, relationships, and any potential stressors she may have been experiencing. This information can provide insights into her state of mind and potential reasons for her disappearance. Secondly, conduct a thorough search of Charlie's home and belongings. Look for any clues that may indicate her plans or intentions, such as a note, travel arrangements, or unusual items missing. Thirdly, interview friends, family members, and acquaintances of Charlie to gather information about her last known whereabouts, activities, and any potential conflicts or concerns she may have shared. Fourthly, review Charlie's financial records, including bank statements and credit card transactions, to identify any unusual activity or potential leads. Fifthly, collaborate with law enforcement agencies to ensure that all available resources and expertise are utilized in the search effort. This includes sharing information, coordinating search efforts, and following up on any leads or tips that are received. Sixthly, consider engaging the services of a private investigator to conduct an independent investigation into Charlie's disappearance. A private investigator can provide additional resources and expertise to help uncover new information and leads. Seventhly, utilize social media and online platforms to raise awareness about Charlie's disappearance and solicit information from the public. Share photos of Charlie, along with details about her last known whereabouts and any relevant information that may assist in the search effort. Eighthly, conduct a physical search of the area where Charlie was last seen, focusing on potential hiding places, abandoned buildings, and wooded areas. Enlist the help of volunteers and search and rescue teams to cover as much ground as possible. Ninthly, consider the possibility that Charlie's disappearance may be related to criminal activity. Investigate any potential connections to criminal organizations or individuals who may have had a motive to harm or abduct her. Tenthly, remain persistent and determined in the search for Charlie, and never give up hope that she will be found safe. Continue to explore all possible leads and avenues of investigation until her whereabouts are determined.